In this video, how to create a progress bar in Camtasia. First, draw a shape to create the border of the progress bar. Next, draw a rectangle that spans the entire duration of the video section you want to track. Now, apply the slide right transition effect to the bar shape. This transition will animate the progress bar as it moves across the screen, providing a visual indicator of the progress. The second way, it can be done using the Media Matte effect and custom animation. Duplicate the shape to create a border. To create a border, change the opacity to 0, then increase the thickness. Resize the inner shape to fit within the border. Now, duplicate the inner shape and apply the Media Matte effect to this new layer. At this stage, you won't see any changes. This is how the Media Matte effect functions. The Media Matte effect simplifies the process of masking the layers directly below it. Next, move the progress bar to hide it. Now add a custom animation to the bar, ensuring it fully reveals at the end keyframe. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.